How to fix Facebook Messenger notification sound problem. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is update your Messenger app to its latest version. For that, launch your Play Store or App Store. Now over here you will find the search box. Type in the app name Messenger and then search for it. Once app appears, at the right corner of it, you'll find the option of Open or Update. If you find the option of Update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Once completion of update process, launch the app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now at the top left corner, you can find three bars. Click on it. Click on the settings icon. Navigate to the option of notification and sounds. Make sure you have toggle off for the option of do not disturb. Likewise, make sure you have enabled for this option, play while using app. Now open this option text tone. Now from here you can select the notification sound. After you check the settings, close this. Now launch your settings app. Scroll down, find the option Messenger. Once you find it, open it. Now click on notifications. Make sure you have enabled for this option of sounds. If you have already enabled for this option, toggle it off and again toggle it on. Now you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Likewise, head back. Once you customize these settings, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix Facebook Messenger notification sound problem. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.